brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a Rasta. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss.
It's your boy Rare Kings. Much love to my viewers and subscriber, man. Jamaican poet and radio personality Muta Baruka bash Popcorn for his title song El Chapo. I'm gonna play a brief preview of the song before I get in the preview. Let's do this, guys.
El Chapo da. Killy, El Chapo da. Killy. Evil men.
Where Michael Jackson is singing about heal the world. And now we say the little sister xylophone come do it over there. It's really an appropriate song. But every time we make a good song, we hear two negative songs. Because I sit down a while ago and I listen to some tune out there. I tell you, when me hear the youth them a make, I listen to a tune named El Chapo. I saw the tune name about the criminal where them all in a Mexico there. And then I hear some, I say, how can people, is what? El Chapo, yeah, El Chapo. And not them it like, yeah. And, him don't know no different, you know. El Chapo. Him don't know no different. Hush. You just have youth. El Chapo. A man glorify El Chapo. And not wrong with that. The things them when me hear in the song, suppose go against the next one is like, and you know the thing about it, I hear people always say about dance all reflect in the society. Nothing goes so. Right now the man them are create things to make it happen in the society. And that me listen to. Me listen to about a dozen tunes this morning in my hotel room. And I said, this is not somebody or someone's who are seeing a situation in them community and trying to help to alleviate the problem in them community. What this youth is doing is to create problems amongst the citizens in the community and outside of the community. Because I can't believe, say, a sensible youth in this time here, seeing we are going in the society, can make them kind of tune there. And then we are talking about, say, we can't, artists free for talk, freedom of speech. Watch everything free for do, but everything, I know everything good for do. Everything free for do, but not everything good for do. And if we have a situation in Jamaica where the things stay that way there, and you have people who try rectify the thing either through social interventions, even through the music, through the art forms and all these things. And then you have some youth who's very influential, even more influential than all of the other people them who are try a thing. What is the purpose? Because, well, I don't know how people, I mean, when me a youth, me did I try, say, you know, intervene in a school programs and as a Black Power youth, very political, just aside Rasta, we want going to the school, them get this and, you know, go in a certain community and all these things as youth. We grow bigger, we try to use the art form to create a level of thinking and a mindset and a consciousness amongst the people them. Them a youth, I mean, really 3 minutes span a CD, 3 minutes you have. And 3 minutes where you have, you are talking about to kill a next man, chop him up, put him in like this, in a broad daylight, you're going to make your gun empty upon him. I mean, like a next man now, him sit down there like him had the biggest gun, a send man for go kill people. And the youth, them a see it. It's not first time you don't go hear it, you know. But them say a word, what you say, have more impression upon you than what you hear. And you see now you see and hear, is a triple double whopper that, you know, you get, you know. So, like, when a man make them tune, you know, say a man lick against a next man, and the next man know this and next man, and call this tune. Them are this the tune, them are this one another now. The reflection amongst the youth, them, you know, it's not that we are say, maybe, like one will kill the other one, you know. We don't know. But based upon how the man, they must say the tune, them, you know. They must tell somebody out there to go do what them say, you know. But if a man don't do what them say, you know, the mannerism of the youth, them, towards these music, cause a kind of indiscipline in the youth, them consciousness. It's a serious thing. And we now check that, you know, because every time you talk about dancehall and negativity of dancehall, you hear some little people run around the corner about, you see them a fight against dancehall. Them no want dancehall. This and dancehall is the most popular genre of music in Jamaica right now, without a doubt. Dancehall music. So all the old people, them, we are living in a bubble, take it and carry go to the shop. Dancehall music is the most popular genre of music coming out of Jamaica right now in the world. When we talk about world now, we talk about the Caribbean, Africa, Europe, and America. Now we are very conscious that a whole heap of youth in Europe kind of more gravitate towards the reggae music. But here we know, you see the influence of the dancehall with all the dance to come with it, because so cultures go there, you know. Culture go there not with just lyrics, you know, but with how you dress. Just like how when Rasta did just come on, yeah. Rasta come on, and not only with how you say Haile Selassie, you know, but come with a culture. That's why pure red, gold, and green around the place, you know. Ital food, locks, and all them something like that. That is part of the Rastafari culture where take on life. Now the dancehall culture take life, whether we want to accept it or not. Whether whole people want to say, no cost on them thing there. Me not living in a bubble. Me know. So dance, when the younger singers in America, them not hearing reggae music. What them are hear is the popular music now. That is what them deal with, like Rihanna and, you know, Nicki Minaj and all these people. It's young people. I listen to young people and I try to mimic young people. So when we hear all a man like Vybz Kartel, now we know it's a Vybz Kartel and the youth where them just arrested, where them say him sick, you know. What name? The one that will tattoo up him skin and appear murder lyrics there. Not 50 cents. The other one, man, down and him come from down south there, man. Little Wayne. Him sick. But here one now. No, we're not getting sick with him. Because I say the lyrics were him project is where Vybz Kartel copy in terms of how him look and all them way there. You understand? And now Vybz Kartel now have people that copy him and him become the world boss. You know, see? So now, what we have now is a cycle of decadence and cycle of indiscipline of going in the Jamaican society will lead to a man not have no respect for nothing. A youth have no respect for nothing. You have school youth right now. It's like them are going to say them no go to school. Imagine you have school youth that safe for buy a gun. How Jamaica reach this, Rasta? How Jamaica reach a place where youth are going to school? Say, boy, I forget film thing by Christmas. Where am I get it from? Where Brian get film one from? Eh? Our youth will still learn and study. I think say, him I forget film one by Christmas. You have 14, 15, 16-year-old youth that walk up and down with gun at night time. Unabated. Look what's going on in Spanish. I must about 8 or 10 people murdered since one week in a Spanish town alone, you know. In a Spanish town. Man find man without head and man shut up this and that and that. And meanwhile, back in the new garrison in Mount Salem, we are seeing progress with the Sosa. Come, Shamara, correct me before I make your boss and come along and say, oh, you have Muta, say Sosa. What's his name? Zoso? That's too hard for me tongue. That's too hard for me tongue. I can't talk so long. By the time I talk, that is advertisement time. See that zone, see that click it. Well, we start with the whole heap of reason early in the program. About me can't help it because me is part of the music fraternity, according to what me hear people say about music fraternity. I've been making music before a lot of these people who is big in the music business now. And may I tell you, say, gun lyrics is not a new thing. Because Bob Marley, I sing say my rude boy and all them things from them time there. But the kind of lyrics that I hear these people with, and when you talk against the lyrics, you hear some people out there who are talking